So you guys are gonna clean first, and then you're gonna disinfect. So you use the 543 to clean. Let me spray this on here. The 543 you can clean off immediately. And it'll just remove all the debris and actual physical material that's on something. You guys can use paper towels or cloth, it doesn't matter. And then to disinfect, you use 710, and you just spray it on, and you can leave it on and let it dry. It'll probably take a minute or so. You use that with tabletops, countertops, equipment, anything. That's it.